Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about some helpful tips and tricks to solve migraine problems. Migraines can be a real challenge to manage, but there are things you can do to make a difference. Let's get started. Tip 1. Sunglasses for light sensitivity. One common trigger for migraines is bright lights. Whether it is natural sunlight or artificial lighting, they can worsen or even cause headaches, especially if you have photophobia, a sensitivity to light. One smart move is to use sunglasses both indoors and outdoors to reduce this risk. They can shield your eyes from uncomfortable blue-tinted artificial light as well as harsh lighting. Another tip is to reduce the brightness on your electronic devices. Softening the light from your computer or phone screen can help prevent migraines more effectively. Tip 2. Stress management. Did you know that over 70% of migraine sufferers report stress as a major trigger? While we can't make stress disappear completely, we can focus on handling it effectively and quickly. One strategy is to remove yourself from the stressful situation and take a moment to calm down before returning. Whenever you feel anxious or stressed, try taking a few deep breaths. Calling a friend or engaging in a quick workout can also help relieve stress. Sorting your priorities is another smart idea to prevent tension from building up. Spend your time wisely at work or school, ensuring you have a plan for each day. Maintaining consistency in your daily routine can also reduce the risk of migraines. Changing up your routine increases the likelihood of experiencing a severe headache. So, it's crucial to maintain regular sleep patterns, exercise routines, and healthy eating habits. You may even want to establish a daily schedule for your therapies and medications to ensure you take them consistently. Tip 3. Eliminate strong smells. Strong odors, such as certain foods or cologne, can make your headache worse. Unfortunately, it's not always easy to escape these smells. But being prepared and adjusting to your surroundings can make a difference. For example, if the smell of coffee doesn't bother you, keep a bag of coffee beans nearby. A quick smell of coffee beans, which neutralize odors, might help stop a migraine in its tracks. You can also use a peppermint balm to purify the air around you or mask potent odors by putting some beneath your nose. Tip 4. Prepare for an aura attack. Some migraine sufferers experience an aura either before or during their headache. While you can't prevent the aura itself, you can control its side effects. As soon as you start feeling the symptoms, find a silent and dark room to rest in. You might want to apply an ice pack or cool cloth to the back of your neck or forehead. Ensuring you stay hydrated by drinking enough water or obtaining it through food can also be beneficial. Difference between headaches and migraines. Before we wrap up, let's quickly discuss the difference between headaches and migraines. While it can vary from person to person, migraines typically cause more severe pain on one side of the head. Did you know that if both parents have had migraines, a child is 75% more likely to experience them too? Migraines can also lead to increased sensitivity to touch, light, sound, and smell. Feeling nauseous and experiencing vomiting are also common symptoms of migraines. And that's it for today's video on tips and tricks to solve migraine problems. We hope you found these strategies helpful and can apply them in your own life. If you have any questions or additional tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.